Heading out to Trader Joe's on a very cold and windy day. I don't know why. Every time I decide to go grocery shopping, it's the worst weather day. Can you hear that wind? Tous-les-Jours is my favorite, so much more than Paris Baguette. They have better bread and cake. It's always crowded here at Trader Joe's, but today is like extremely crowded. I should have gotten a basket, but I was committed to the cart. Here we are. I'm stocking up on soup dumplings. They have the best soup dumplings. So good. A cold day calls for some ramen. So that is where we're heading to next. I'm getting the black oil ramen, and then I'm gonna put a ton of chili oil to make it nice and spicy.